Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I remove my makeup. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I take off my makeup. Get unready with me. Yes, so you guys have been asking me, how do you remove makeup? So I've been teaching y'all a little bit what I know about how to apply makeup, but I haven't given y'all a video on how I remove my makeup. So right now it is almost 11 o'clock p.m. I did my makeup probably around 2 o'clock. I recorded, for the most part, I recorded this makeup look. It is black owned beauty brands, okay? And I'm gonna just show y'all how I remove my makeup. So I like to go ahead and take off my earrings just because, you know, you want to wash all the way up into your baby hairs, around them ears, and your neck. And so I'll do that first, and then I'll also take out any accessories I have in my hair. I really don't be wearing accessories like that in my hair, but I'll go ahead and, ooh, child, that thing hooked. I'll go ahead and remove like all of this. And I'm actually gonna use one of them to kind of like move this whole bang deal. I really don't be doing bangs, so this is not usual, but hold up, not the bang, the bang. Oh. Ooh, look at that forehead. I'm pinning that back out of my face so we can get all up in there. So the first thing you want to do, I do have on false lashes right now, and the inner corner was not on my side today. So typically I would just like go like this and pull the lash off. So I would just take my lash off and it'll look like that, but a safer way. So if you have trouble like pulling off your lashes and it's like tugging on your lashes and stuff like that, you can use like a makeup remover or something that's like, it ain't like cheap. I mean, it's drugstore, this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is basically like the entirety of what we're going to use to remove our makeup. A lot of people ask me about makeup wipes, and I've been a faithful makeup wipe user for years until finding out that people be saying, you know, they're not the best for your skin because it's rough. Now, don't get me wrong, you do, I mean, it's your choice to do whatever you want, to each his own. So if you want to use a makeup wipe, go ahead. I just recommend using like moisturizing makeup wipes. So sometimes I'll use the Aveeno makeup wipes and things like that. But anyway, I'm trying to show y'all the supposed right way to do this. So I have some micellar water on this Q-tip, and I'm just gonna rub this like right at the lash line, and this is gonna loosen up any glue. And if you want to, you can do it on a cotton swab and brush it downwards, but as you do this, it should start like loosening up the glue. And if you feel tugging, just go back in, use some more of that micellar water, and just keep gently rubbing. Okay, this is a little ghetto and up close, but you can see how it's just coming off real easy. And if your inner corner is glued on real good, like so, like that, then you just keep wiping, and then boom, you got your little lash, and it's still reusable. Now that our lashes are off, I like to go, I don't even got the little cotton pad. Y'all bear with me, I'm mic'd up to the camera, so I can't go in my other bathroom to get my little cotton pads. But you just get a little cotton round, and you can do one or two things. So if you go in the micellar way, like the clean, make sure you know you're not doing the most to your face, and you, like if you got sensitive skin or something and you go in the micellar way, you could just put it on like a cotton round. I know I'm talking a lot, but That's me, I'm sorry. Not sorry. So you can just put it on a cotton round, and then you can just like go and literally wipe the makeup off. And I'm wiping very gently. Right now I'm using a paper towel because, like I said, I left my cotton rounds in the other room. But look at all that, and I'm just wiping, and I'm gonna show y'all two different ways that I do it. So this is one way. You can also use the micellar water to kind of like clean that glue, excess glue that might be left over on your lash line. You can use that micellar water to do that, and you just gently rub like in a downward motion to get it off. So that's one side, and y'all can already see like I really don't look like I got much makeup left on this side, but a little bit of glitter. And so on this side, I'm gonna show y'all the ghetto. Well, I ain't gonna say ghetto, but like another method if you want to each his own. So if you open this spinning a little bit of coin, my favorite, all-time favorite, well, I can't say all-time favorite because honestly this is the only makeup remover that I've ever bought. But it's a really good one, and I need to re-up on it. Look, this is the Clinique Take the Day Off. This is their like cleansing balm, and y'all, look, I'm almost out. So I would just put a little bit of that on my hand, and then I would just like rub that all over my face, and that just will get it off. I'm gonna go ahead and rub some on this side we already wiped off. And if you like massage this around for like 60 seconds, you should have kind of lifted all of your makeup off of your face. Now I did see, I'm not doing this upper half yet because I'm gonna show y'all my quote-unquote ghetto way that I was talking about. But so I heard a long time ago, it was like a hack, and they was like, you know, if you at somebody else's house and you don't have your makeup remover, or like say if you got a man and you at your man's house and he ain't got no makeup remover, of course, unless he bought some for you, but he ain't got no makeup remover, but most guys have Vaseline. So they say you could use Vaseline to remove it. I've tried that before. I don't really like how Vaseline feel on my face. It just feels super thick. So another alternative is coconut oil. And y'all be talking about my little Crisco cooking coconut oil, but it's coconut oil. It's organic. And coconut oil breaks down your makeup. Now, I don't know the science behind it, but I was told that it breaks down your makeup. But the only thing about coconut oil, it can clog like your pores. I don't think it's clogged my pores, which is why I'm showing y'all that I do use this to remove makeup. But for some people, or I've been watching skincare videos lately, and they say that coconut oil can clog your pores. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub this in everywhere. A little ASMR for y'all. I get up under these ears, in front of the ears. I'm gonna go in my edges just a little bit. But usually I do my edges when I'm washing my face. So once you do this, you can go in with that paper towel that you use. I don't like opening my eyes when I got stuff on my eyes, y'all. That's just me. But you can go in with that paper towel or like a cotton swab with your micellar water, and then wipe this off. Now I have seen where people will like wash this off with water, but that's just a weird, I don't know, that's a weird combo for me. So I like to wipe most of it off first. And then I'll go in to like washing my face. You want to make sure you get those lips too. Alternate the way you fold in this paper towel, or Kleenex has a really smooth hand towel that I like to use on my face. I'm currently out of it. I need to go buy some more, but they have a really good hand towel, which I'll link in the description box for you guys. But so as you can see, we pretty much got all of the makeup off. We ain't get all the makeup off. This is like our first cleansing step. So what I like to do is something called double cleansing. So if I did my entire face with that micellar water first, well, usually I'll start off with like the Clinique Take the Day Off balm or like your coconut oil. I'll do the oil cleanse first to like lift up and remove that makeup, and then I'll go in with my micellar water. So I'll go in with my micellar water and then cleanse the face again. And when I say cleanse the face, this is really just removing the makeup before we actually go into our skincare of washing and treating our face. So right now, as you can see, I still have makeup on, and this just has micellar water on it. And you can also use like a face rag for this that's like soft but washable. Or if you don't use a cotton round, you can use like those rewashable face rounds for my people who are eco-friendly. Right now I'm just using what I got, so I do apologize. Make sure we getting up behind those ears, hairline, and our neck, because a lot of times we blend our neck and we forget to wash. So all of that was still on my face, and right now it still looks clean, like I don't have on any makeup, but now I'm gonna go in and wash my face. So the first wash basically is again to still remove makeup, and I'm just gonna use this Gentle Skin Cleanser from Cetaphil. It's just what I have on hand. You could use like, you know, Dove soap, whatever, but this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I'm just gonna wash my face for 60 seconds. It's important to like get up in that hairline, one, because makeup is in your hairline, but two, that edge control is what will get you like, you know, acne around your hairline, depending on what edge control you use. Okay, so from there, then I just go into my skincare routine, which if y'all are interested in that, just click the link up here so y'all can check out my updated skincare routine. And that's pretty much how I remove my makeup. There's, you know, you could go the micellar route, which is it's a great, you know, cleanser. It's not harsh, none of that. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then, like I said, my other two that I really love is the Clinique Take the Day Off. It's bomb. They have a small travel size if you want to test it out before you purchase it. But at the end of the day, if you don't really care that, I'm trying to stop smacking. If you don't really care that much, honey, get you some coconut oil. You probably already got coconut oil, so this is gonna be your drugstore cheap, affordable method. It's gonna get the job done, period. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't like super crazy. I didn't use any makeup wipes, but that's not to say that I don't use makeup wipes, because I do. But I just found that this way is less harsh on the skin. You're not doing as much like hard like paper rubbing on your face. You're really just kind of like massaging the makeup off, and you know, this is what we're working with. We look good, ready to go to bed. Gotta take this bun out because we don't sleep in tight buns, okay? We gotta take it down, let our hair breathe at night, let it relax. But that's all I got for y'all. And if you watched thus far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below and join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. And while you're down there, you might as well like this video, give it a huge thumbs up if you enjoy videos like this and like the beginner makeup series. Make sure you let me know by leaving me a thumbs up, and go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye guys. Good night. Let me see. I don't know if y'all Y'all, this is why I close my toilet lid when I be filming in the bathroom, because y'all, I cannot tell you how much stuff I've dropped in the doggone toilet, and I'll be mad. And you can also use that. Don't get it in your eye, child. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Ghetto.